This is a little screencast about how to change your symbol to something that represents your book, and then how to use that symbol to hyperlink to other slides in your presentation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I need to change my chickens to represent something that would symbolize my book. So instead of chickens, I'm going to change it to leather jackets. So the first thing I'm going to do is just single click on one of these chickens, and I'm going to go up here to replace image. I'm going to search the web, and you can see I already did that search. Whoops, let's do it again. Search the web. And over here, I'm going to do a search for leather jacket, and I want to use PNG or transparent. Either one of those will help you to get an image that doesn't have a whole lot of background behind it. So if I search leather jacket PNG, I get a number of choices, and I'm going to go with this one right here. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to replace it. Okay, so now over here, I have replaced the chicken with a jacket. Now I can do the same thing one by one, or I can just take this leather jacket and I'm going to use my shortcuts to copy. And then I'm going to paste it. Now pasted right over the top, I can move this around. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have all the leather jackets that I could ever want. I can always get rid of them if I have too many. I'm just going to kind of throw them over here on the side so that I can access them. I don't need the chickens. Chickens have nothing to do with outsiders. So I'm just going to delete those. Now, I've already taken my photo that contains all the different elements of my bento box. And now what I want to do is use my leather jackets to link the elements of my photo to the different parts of my slideshow. So I'm going to take one of these leather jackets, doesn't matter which one, and I'm just going to drag it over here on top of this picture of Tulsa, Oklahoma. And I'm going to place it right there. So my leather jackets are black, which makes it a little bit hard to see them on my bento box. So think about that when you're choosing your symbol. So now I've got my leather jacket. It's on top of this picture of Tulsa, and I'm going to link it. So you're just going to single click on your leather jacket, and then you're going to go up here to the link icon. I'm going to say insert link. Now, we might be used to putting a URL in here, but you can also link to slides in the presentation. So I'm going to click on slides in the presentation. That's going to open up all the different slides. And I want to link this to setting because Tulsa is the setting. So it's going to choose that slide 3 setting. I'm going to go ahead and apply. So now this leather jacket, if I'm in present mode looks like that, then I can click on my leather jacket and it takes me straight to the slide for setting. I'm going to go back out of present mode. Let's just do one more here. Back up here. So I've got another leather jacket. I'm going to drag it onto the math book. The math book represents Pony Boy because he was a dedicated student despite the hardships that he had or the attitudes that his teachers had about him. So I've put my leather jacket on here on top of the book. Again, I'm going to have it selected. I'm going to go up to link, slides in the presentation, and now I'm going to find my slide 4, Pony Boy, and I'm going to apply. And now you can see when you click on these that the links are there. And when you're in present mode, those links will be live and take you to the right slide. Hope that helps. Have a great time making your bento box.